Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best food scales available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a home cook, a baker, or someone meal prepping for a healthier lifestyle, these scales offer precision and convenience. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started. Coming in at number 5, we have the Teak-Saxity Food Scale. This is the budget-friendly option on our list, priced at just $6.29. Despite its low cost, it offers a surprising amount of functionality. It supports 6 units of measurement, including grams, kilograms, pounds, ounces, milliliters, and NOC-specific milliliters, making it incredibly versatile for various kitchen tasks. The tare function is intuitive, helping you measure ingredients without the weight of containers, and it includes built-in batteries with an auto shut-off feature to conserve power. The compact design is great for smaller kitchens, fitting neatly into utensil drawers. But don't let its small size fool you. It's made with a durable, stain-resistant ABS surface that's easy to clean. The LED backlit display ensures visibility, even in dim lighting conditions, which is a thoughtful touch for late-night bakers or meal preppers. However, the scale's build quality feels lightweight, and while it's great for casual users, it may not hold up to heavy daily use. Ideal for beginners or anyone on a tight budget, the Teak-Saxity scale offers solid performance at an unbeatable price. That said, it lacks some advanced features like higher weight capacity or app connectivity seen in premium models. If you need a simple, reliable scale for occasional use, this one's hard to beat. Pros: incredibly affordable, versatile measurement options, compact design. Cons: lightweight build, limited durability. At number 4, we have the Soyoke Food Scale. This digital scale is slightly pricier than the Teak-Saxity model, but offers excellent accuracy with measurements down to 0.05 ounces or 1 gram. Its stainless steel construction is a step up in terms of durability, and the rounded corner design adds some safety and aesthetic value. With 6 unit conversion options, this scale is perfect for a variety of cooking tasks, whether you're baking, meal prepping, or tracking liquid measurements. The Soyoke scale includes thoughtful features like overload protection and a low battery warning, ensuring reliable performance. It also has an auto shut-off function to save energy and comes with 2 AAA batteries. The LCD display is crisp and easy to read, even in darker environments, making it accessible for all users, including seniors or those with dim kitchen lighting. The protective blue film on the surface adds an extra layer of safety during storage or transport. While it checks most of the boxes for a mid-range scale, the Soyoke lacks premium features like app connectivity or higher weight capacity. It's ideal for casual cooks who want a durable and easy-to-use scale without breaking the bank. Pros: durable stainless steel design, high accuracy, versatile measurement options. Cons: no advanced features, slightly bulkier than compact models. Taking the number 3 spot is the GGQ 33-pound digital kitchen scale, a fantastic mid-tier option for those who need a higher weight capacity. This scale supports up to 33 pounds, making it ideal for bulk cooking, larger recipes, or even weighing heavier meal prep containers. It offers 5 measurement units, including grams, kilograms, pounds, ounces, and milliliters, and features a large stainless steel weighing platform for added stability. What sets the GGQ scale apart is its rechargeable functionality, with both batteries and a Type-C charging cable included. The touch-sensitive controls and LCD display are sleek and modern, while the auto shut-off feature and overload protection make it energy efficient and reliable. It's also equipped with non-slip rubber pads and a hanging hook for convenient storage. However, the larger size may not be suitable for smaller kitchens. Overall, the GGQ scale is ideal for users who need versatility and durability in a kitchen scale. Its higher weight capacity and rechargeable design make it a standout choice for anyone tackling big cooking projects or looking for a long-lasting solution. Pros: high weight capacity, rechargeable, durable stainless steel build. Cons: slightly bulky, higher price point. At number 2 is the Amazon Basics Digital Kitchen Scale. This model is a true crowd pleaser, boasting over 100,000 positive reviews on Amazon. Priced at just $9.89, it offers incredible value for its features and performance. With a weight capacity of 11 pounds and an accuracy of 1 gram, it's perfect for most home cooking and baking tasks. The tare function works seamlessly, ensuring you get the precise weight of your ingredients without the container. The design is clean and functional, with a stainless steel platform and a large LCD display that's easy to read. It's compact, yet sturdy, ideal for daily use in busy kitchens. The included AAA batteries are a convenient touch, and the auto shutoff feature helps conserve power when the scale isn't in use. While it doesn't offer advanced features like app connectivity, it's simple and reliable, making it a top choice for budget-conscious shoppers. This scale is perfect for anyone looking for a dependable, no-frills option. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced cook, the Amazon Basics scale delivers consistent performance at an unbeatable price. Pros: highly affordable, sturdy design, reliable accuracy. Cons: no advanced features, lacks higher weight capacity. Finally, at number 1, we have the premium Edexcity Smart Food Kitchen Scale. This scale is designed for tech-savvy cooks and health enthusiasts, offering features that go far beyond basic weighing. Priced at $39.99, it comes with a free app powered by Nutritionix, which allows you to track up to 19 nutrients, monitor trends, and even customize your food data. It integrates seamlessly with Apple Health and Fitbit, making it ideal for anyone tracking macros or calories. The build quality is top-notch, with a food-grade 304 stainless steel platform that's durable, easy to clean, and sleek in appearance. The scale is compact and thin, perfect for storage in tight spaces. With its 11-pound capacity and 1 gram accuracy, it handles a wide range of kitchen tasks effortlessly. The barcode scanner feature, available only in the US, adds an extra layer of convenience for meal tracking, though it might not be useful for international users. While it's the most expensive option on this list, the Edexcity scale is worth the investment for serious cooks and fitness enthusiasts. It combines smart technology with premium design, making it the ultimate kitchen companion. Pros: advanced app features, sleek design, premium build quality. Cons: higher price, barcode scanner limited to the US. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments which food scale you're considering, or if you have any questions about these products. I'll be sure to get back to you. See you in the next video.